Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And today I have a very special collaboration with my girl, Nizzy's Playhouse. Nizzy has the most comforting voice. I keep telling her she should be an Audible reader because her voice is just so soothing. I'm like, girl, I can listen to her all day, but she slays every unit she wears, from short, long, curly, straight. Girl, can I get like you? Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video. Today's unit was brought to you by Ebonyline, so shout out to them and thank you for sending me another unit. This is the Bobbi Boss Glueless Lace Wig. It's the Seamless Blending HD Lace. It's 13 by 7, pre-plucked baby hair, free parting. And here is the card for you guys. It has an undetectable HD lace, lies flat for glueless security and style. And I will definitely say that there are a lot of securities in this wig. It has the 2 combs right here because, you know, this part is all lace. A comb in the back, adjustable straps back there, and an elastic band that you can adjust to your head size. So it is big head friendly, you guys. As you guys saw, it did come with a lot of baby hairs, so I just used my Tresemme mousse to push them back, and I used my edge control for my baby hairs, and I used a little, just a dab on my finger to hold it in place. And then I used blot powder from MAC. It is the Deep Dark Concealer with a little brush, and I went in to, you know, make sure everything blended in very nicely. So shout out to Body by Kiera for even reviewing a unit like this. She reviewed the sister unit, And honestly, I don't know where I would have done without her. I saw her video and I was like, oh, duh. If you have been a follower of mine, then you know that I struggle with baby hairs. I struggle with all of this. So yeah, I'm just so proud of myself for even accomplishing this and making it look as seamless as it is now. You know that saying, it's you're not ugly, you're just poor. And that's how I feel about this wig. You know, it's not the lace front, it's the HD lace. I don't know if that's a good comparison, but anyway, you guys know what I mean. Maybe because it's an HD lace, I was able to, you know, manage it a little bit better. As far as the baby hairs, I don't know, maybe I'm just getting better and I'm learning as I go, but I've definitely come a long way. So make sure you guys leave some comments if you have been following me for a while now, and let me know your thoughts. Did I slay this unit? Did I slay it? Yes. And I will give you guys a 360. Yes. Yes, shoulder. Okay. This is honestly a really, really gorgeous unit. It looks like some bundles. I'm feeling this, Bobbi Boss. So I did finger out the curls because it was just like too tight, and there is some shedding, a lot of shedding. As you guys know, with longer units, they're not meant to last. It's synthetic hair, you guys. So yeah, they shed, they tangle, and they don't last long. I would not suggest wearing this every day. This is a going out wig, you know, if you want to go out with your girls, your old man, or, you know, by yourself, whatever you like to do. I definitely would suggest wearing this as a going out wig. It's not meant for every day. This unit does range on their website for about $55. So in my opinion, for $55, I'm not wearing it every day. Because again, it's synthetic hair. It's not meant to last. But yes, so just wanted to let you guys know. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to check out Nizzy's video, you guys. Let her know I sent you. And I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And hit that notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time.